What if I told you that in 2026, there are AI tools making people money every single day, even while they sleep? And no, I'm not talking about coding robots or complicated tech stuff. I'm talking about simple AI tools that normal people are using too. Create videos, sell designs, write content, build websites, edit clips, and even start online businesses with almost no money. The crazy part? Most people are still sleeping on these tools. So in this video, I'm going to show you the top 7 AI tools that can make you money in 2026, including what each tool does, how people are making money with it, and beginner-friendly side hustles you can start today. And trust me, the last tool on this list is one of the easiest ways to make money online right now. So make sure you watch till the end. Welcome back to the channel. If you love AI online business, side hustles, and ways to make money with technology, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. Now let's get into it. Tool 1. ChatGPT. Let's start with the king of AI tools right now, ChatGPT. By now, almost everybody has heard about it, but most people are still using it the wrong way. They use it for fun. Smart people use it to make money. Here are just a few ways people are using ChatGPT to generate income in 2026. YouTube script writing, blog writing, Instagram captions, TikTok hooks, email marketing, resume writing, freelance copywriting, ebooks, online courses, AI virtual assistant services. And the best part, you don't even need to be an expert writer anymore. For example, you can start a faceless YouTube channel and use ChatGPT to generate video ideas, write scripts, create titles, and even generate SEO descriptions. You can literally run an entire content business with AI. Another huge opportunity is freelancing. People on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer are making money offering AI content writing, business name generation, social media management, and marketing services. Even if you're a beginner, ChatGPT can help you work faster and smarter. But here's the important thing. Don't copy and paste AI content blindly. Use AI as a helper, not as a replacement for creativity. That's where the real money is. Tool 2. Canva AI. Next up is Canva AI. A lot of people think Canva is just for simple graphic design. Not anymore. In 2026, Canva has become an AI-powered business machine. You can now use Canva AI to generate presentations, create social media posts, make YouTube thumbnails, create logos, generate videos, and even design digital products. One of the easiest ways to make money with Canva AI is selling templates. For example, Instagram templates, business flyers, resumes, planners, ebooks, TikTok carousel templates. You can sell these on Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website. And because AI speeds up the design process, you can create products much faster than before. Another huge opportunity, YouTube thumbnails. Channels are constantly looking for thumbnail designers because thumbnails increase clicks and views. With Canva AI, beginners can create professional-looking thumbnails in minutes. This is honestly one of the easiest side hustles to start with zero money. Tool 3. CapCut AI short-form content is still dominating in 2026. TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and guess what? Businesses and creators need editors. That's where CapCut AI comes in. CapCut now has AI features like auto captions, AI voiceovers, background removal, AI effects, automatic cuts, and smart editing tools. This means you can edit videos much faster, even as a beginner. One of the best ways to make money with CapCut is becoming a short-form video editor. Many creators are willing to pay editors monthly just to turn long videos into shorts and reels. And because short videos are everywhere now, demand is huge. You can also create your own faceless content pages. For example, motivation videos, AI facts, celebrity news, business content, football clips, finance tips, or storytelling videos. Then monetize through TikTok creator programs, YouTube monetization, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and digital products. This is one of the fastest growing AI side hustles right now. Tool 4. Midjourney. Now let's talk about AI image generation. Midjourney is one of the most powerful AI art tools available today. People are using it to generate posters, book covers, wallpapers, social media graphics, album covers, and digital artwork. And yes, people are making real money from this. Some sell AI art prints online. Others create print-on-demand products, t-shirt designs, stickers, phone wallpapers, and even children's books. Websites like Redbubble, Teespring, and Printify allow creators to upload designs and sell products without holding inventory. That means you don't need a warehouse. You don't need packaging. You don't even need shipping. The platform handles most of it. Another smart idea? Offer AI-generated poster designs for businesses, music artists, and event organizers. AI art is becoming a huge industry. The people learning it early are positioning themselves ahead of the curve. Tool 5. 11 Labs. This next tool is one of my favorites. 11 Labs is an AI voice generation platform. Its voices sound incredibly realistic, People are using it for YouTube narration, audiobooks, podcasts, ads, animations, and faceless videos. Here's where the money comes in. Many faceless YouTube channels need voiceovers, but not everybody wants to record their own voice, so they use AI voices instead. You can start a service where you generate voiceovers, edit audio, and deliver ready-to-use narration for creators. Another opportunity is audiobook creation. Authors are looking for affordable ways to turn books into audio content. AI tools like 11 Labs make that possible much faster and cheaper. And because audio content is growing rapidly, this industry is only getting bigger. Tool 6. Shopify. AI e-commerce is evolving fast because of AI. Shopify now has AI features that help with 1. Product descriptions, 2. Store setup, 3. Email marketing, 4. Branding, 5. And customer support. This makes starting an online store much easier for beginners. One popular business model is print on demand. You use AI tools to create designs, then sell them on products like 1. Hoodies, 2. Mugs, 3. T-shirts, 4. And phone cases. Another option is drop shipping. Instead of keeping products yourself, suppliers ship directly to customers. Now obviously, e-commerce still takes work. AI won't magically make you rich overnight, but it can reduce the amount of time and skill needed to start. And in 2026, speed matters. The faster you can launch products and test ideas, the more chances you have to succeed. Tool 7. Durable AI. This last tool is underrated. Durable AI can generate websites in minutes, and this creates a massive opportunity. Small businesses always need websites: barbers, restaurants, gyms, photographers, salons, and local stores. Most business owners don't know how to create websites themselves. That's where you come in. You can use AI website builders to create simple websites quickly and charge clients for it. Even basic websites can make good money. And because AI speeds up the process, you can work with more clients in less time. This is honestly one of the best beginner-friendly AI businesses right now, especially if you enjoy creativity and working online. Final advice. Now before you leave this video, I want to tell you something important. AI is not replacing everybody, but people using AI will replace people ignoring it. That's the reality. The good news is, you don't need to master all these tools. Just pick one. Learn it deeply, practice consistently, and turn it into a skill people will pay for. That's how real online income is built. Not by jumping from one trend to another every week. Start small, improve your skills, stay consistent, and over time, these AI tools can genuinely change your financial situation. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which AI tool you want to try first. Also share this video with someone who wants to start making money online in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.